Hey guys, I got a couple questions for some of you machinists. Some of you guys maybe have worked on machines or maybe even built lead screws before, but this old engraving machine I'm working on, the lead screw's bad in it. You can see it's like razor sharp. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is a two start. Basically, there's 2 points at which it starts. You can see there's one there, and then directly opposite, there's another one there. Some of them are 4 start, some are 6, 8 start ball screws, depending on what you're talking about. This is the nut. It's an anti-backlash nut. I don't know what it's made out of, but I mean, man, the threads are not wore out at all. But it ate this down to a thin metal, and it's the only screw that it did it on. The x-axis and z-axis are fine. The z-axis uses a small ball screw, but anyways, this guy right here is like $105 from this company. This is an old engraver, and it's calling it's a 0.25, which is a 1/4 inch. This is not a 1/4 inch, guys. That's closer to a 1/2 inch. So here's my dimensions that I need to find a lead screw for. And I don't know if this is metric or standard or what, or how to order it at all. But I did measure everything out. And the outside diameter from the outside of the threads is 0.434. 0.4375 is 7/16 of an inch, or 11 to 11.5 millimeters. That's where it falls between the two. The inside diameter between the threads is 0.237, which is between 8 and an 8.5 millimeters. Nowhere near this 1/4 inch, $105 nut that they want to make, that they want me to buy. I don't think I'm going to replace the nut because I put it on there and there is zero in play in the threads without the backlash. I can put both pieces on separately and there's no backlash on them at all. But I need to order this thing. It's 22 and 15/16 inches long, which is 22.9375. I can turn the shoulders on them and tap it. This side's turned down to fit inside of a bearing, and it's got a little button head cap screw. I don't know if that's what you call that. That's not a socket head, it's a button head. There's a little cap screw there. And the other side is just turned down to fit inside this coupler, which goes to the stepper motor. I need to get this thing ordered. Where would you guys order it from? And how would you describe it? I want to get the right thing the first time. Should I mail it off and have somebody recreate it? I don't know what to do here. I see them on eBay. These, hell, they come with the screw and the nut made out of bronze for, I don't know, $50, $40. And I'm putting a new controller on it, so I can probably fudge the math in the software, depending on, the diameter and how many turns and stuff. But I would like to get the right one that matches everything else so they're all the same on X and Y. Any advice or feedback is much appreciated. Thank you. Have a good day.